The following message is not a drill. Approximately 35 kilometers northwest of Lansing, Michigan, McLaren Greater Lansing Hospital has detected an unknown virus called itch disease. This disease is highly contagious and partly deadly, and can even be caught by seeing an infected scratch themselves. Symptoms of this disease are dry lungs, OCD, being perfectionist, diabetes, severe itch, mouth breathing, being ticklish, and getting random cuts and scratches on your skin. If you have any of these symptoms, head to the nearest hospital and turn yourself in for testing. SCP Foundation Site-19 is currently attempting to contain this virus, as it is also known as an anomaly. Once the pandemic is over, Mobile Task Force troops will erase your memory. Follow all instructions of the troops or you will be terminated. Thank you for listening. Stay indoors, self-quarantine, and continue normal broadcasting.